Hi y'all, today we are going to be making some sourdough discard pancakes. For this we got some sugar, we got some flour, we got some eggs, vanilla, milk, baking powder, salt, baking soda, and some olive oil. And obviously we have the star of our show, our sourdough discard. But before we get to cooking, we are on the road to 1,000 subscribers, so if you want to learn a new recipe every week, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and let's get to cooking. Alright y'all, so in a mixer, we're going to start, or a mixing bowl, I'm using my stand mixer. We're going to start with 2 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, a teaspoon of baking soda, a teaspoon of salt, 3 tablespoons of sugar. Go ahead and give that just a quick whisk. We're going to take 1 3/4 cup of milk, 2 eggs, two tablespoons of oil. I'm using olive oil. 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Then about a cup or so of your sourdough discard. We're going to go ahead and get this well blended together. So on a medium-high heat, you can use whatever you like. I use a little bit of olive oil spray. We're going to go ahead, make pancakes. You can make them as big or as small as you want. I just happen to have this for Christmas, so I'm going to use it. Now we're going to let these cook until we get a bunch of bubbles and you'll start seeing the edges dry out. Okay, once you got a good amount of bubbling and the edges dry out, we're just going to go ahead, which will take a few minutes. Oh shoot. You're going to go ahead and flip them over and let them cook for just a few more minutes, not as long. And once you got a good cook on both sides, we're going to go ahead, pull them off, and continue cooking the rest of ours. Alright y'all, there we have it. Well, I just have a stack ready to eat, but we have some sourdough discard pancakes. If you like this video, go ahead, hit that like and subscribe button down below. There is a video over here that YouTube thinks you should watch, and until next time, keep on cooking on.